Hey guys, we are back with another fragrance of the week. This week's fragrance is Atelier Cologne Cafe Tuberosa. Now mine has this adorable leather case because I got mine from the Atelier Cologne website with another fragrance, and this was like a special. What the actual fragrance looks like is this. Now this is a smaller size. This is, I believe, the 30 ml. Yeah, I have been loving this. Coffee and white flower is the concept, like tuberose, but I feel like there is also rose, there's vanilla, there's a little citrus, and with coffee, I feel like there is a cocoa warmth, sweet undertone. It's so beautiful. It is a heavier fragrance. Like, to me, it almost reminds me of Coco from Chanel, not scent wise, but just depth wise. Like, it's a similar weight to the fragrance, if that makes sense. But in the dry down, I feel like this really lightens up and comes alive. So you get a lot of that white flower, that citrus comes through and just gives it a little acidity. It's almost like cooking, where something is too much of something or too much of that. I always feel like acidity kind of helps even things out, and that's what the citrus in here does. But it's sweet, it's warm, it's a little fresh, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful white flower forward fragrance. So if you love white flower, definitely give this a shot. The coffee is super subtle in here. It is beautiful daytime, evening, mixed in with other fragrances. If this fragrance was a person, she would be fun, she would be adventurous, but she would be elegant. Like, she's ready to go kayaking, but also ready to get macarons at La Durée with coffee and in a beautiful outfit. Like, that's the kind of fragrance this is. It can do both. It is fresh and light and just heavy and sexy enough to give the fragrance balance. So there is this week's fragrance. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite fragrance is currently. I would love to try out new scents. I'm all about constantly trying out new things and spending way too much money, but hey, that's the name of the game. I don't know what game I'm playing, but my bank account is not playing this game. And on that note, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.